Hi there, welcome in another video of this channel. So today I have picked a topic that is mitochondria. So first let's see its introduction. Mitochondria is double layered cell organelle found in eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cell which helps in respiration. The matrix of mitochondria contain all enzymes which are required for Krebs cycle except one succinate dehydrogenase. Means only succinate dehydrogenase which is required in Krebs cycle that is not found in the matrix of mitochondria, and all enzymes are present which is required for Krebs cycle in the matrix of mitochondria except succinate dehydrogenase. And mitochondria is also known as powerhouse or power plant or cellular furnace, etc., because the oxidation of food and release of energy in form of ATP. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. Mitochondria helps in respiration, and in this process it forms ATP as energy form. So that's why it is called powerhouse of the cell. So let's see some introduction of its discovery. First of all, mitochondria was discovered by Collier in 1850 in striated muscles of insect and give the name sarcosome. And after that, a scientist Altman in 1890 observed a filamentous structure present in cytoplasm of cell, and he named that bioblast. And after that, in 1897, C. Benda stained these organelles with crystal violet and renamed that mitochondria. In short, we can know Collier discovered this cell organelle, and C. Benda renamed it as mitochondria. So this is the figure of a mitochondria, and this is the figure of a christae, and this is the figure of F0 F1 particle. So let's see its morphology. Then let's see its shape. Shape is rod shaped, spherical or filamentous organelle. Size 7 micrometer in length and 0.2 to 1 micrometer in diameter. And if we talk about its number, generally 50 to 50,000 per cell, but some protozoans they reaches up to 5 lakh mitochondria. It's amazing. But a important thing that is single mitochondria present. This is the important thing, a single mitochondria present in unicellular green algae, that is microstereas, and single mitochondria present in animal cell, that is trypanosoma. If we talk about in plant case, that is microstereas, and if we talk about in animal cell, that is trypanosoma. And let's see its anatomy. Mitochondria are surrounded by double unit membrane, that is outer membrane as well as inner membrane. It means mitochondria is double membranous structure. First one is outer membrane and second one is inner membrane, and the space are present between two membrane is called as intermembrane space or outer chamber. And the width of outer chamber, that is 6 to 8 nanometer, filled with a watery fluid, and the inner membrane become folded to the inner side and form a finger-like projection are called christae. Means the space between two membrane, that is called intermembrane space or outer chamber, and inner membrane is folded and form a finger-like projection called christae, and the cavity of christae is called inner crystal space, which is continuous to the outer chamber. Mainly tennis, rocket-like or mushroom-shaped structure present on the surface of christae are called elementary particle or F0, F1 particle or oxysome. I am talking about this. This is called oxysome. This or F0, F1 particle or elementary particle. This one. This projection is called finger christae, which is finger-like shape, and this F0, F1 particle which is attached on the surface of christae, that is called F0, F1 particle, elementary particle or oxysome. Each elementary particle consists of a knob-like head and stalk or pedicle and a base. Diameter of a head is 75 to 100 angstrom. Length of stalk is about 50 angstrom. F0, F1 particles are present at regular interval of the distance of about 100 angstrom. Elementary particles or F0, F1 particle play a crucial role in synthesis of ATP because F1 part of elementary particle contain a large quantity of an enzyme called ATP synthase. Means the F1 particle contains ATP synthase enzyme which helps in the synthesis of ATP. So that's why F0, F1 particle play an important role in the synthesis of ATP which act as energy. So this is the very important part of our mitochondria, and let's see another point of it. The space are surrounded by inner membrane is called intramembranous space or inner chamber, and inner chamber filled with dense homogeneous gel-like proteins. Means the inner chamber which is proteinous material are called matrix. This gel-filled chamber is called matrix, and the enzyme which required for Krebs cycle present in matrix of mitochondria except succinate dehydrogenase, and matrix also contains some protein, lipid, ribosome, inorganic salt like sodium, potassium, calcium and magnesium. Now see the function of mitochondria. Function of mitochondria. Actually, we all know the mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell because it's generating ATP in the form of energy, and ATP is a energy rich compound, means adenosine triphosphate. They supply all the required biological energy. So first of all, first function of mitochondria, that is ATP transport, because it synthesis ATP, and ATP molecules produced as a result of cellular respiration in mitochondria. And they are transported where energy requirement is very high, means ATP synthesis happen in mitochondria matrix, and after that it transported by mitochondria where energy requirement is very high, where energy need ATP will be transported there. And second function of mitochondria, that is lipid synthesis, a set of enzyme present in the mitochondria which convert fatty acid, glycerol and nitrogenous bases into phosphatidylserine and phosphatidylethylamine. And second function is heat production. Most of the ATP are used in the production of heat, that is, it regulates the body temperature of warm-blooded animal. And next one is mitochondrial accumulation of calcium and phosphate. The accumulation of cation inside the mitochondria. And another one is phosphate enters into the mitochondria along with calcium. The accumulation of calcium and other cation inside the mitochondria is and mitochondria tend to pump out proton and to return OH ion, and thus the matrix become more alkaline. So that's all was about mitochondria. So I hope you might be understand this. So thank you so much. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.